I still got time to grow. Things ain't always set in stone.